Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. In previous class I already taught you chapters 14 weather and season. In this class I'm going to discuss their exercise. Okay, so first of all see here activity first. So all of you open your social study book and in page number 90 your activity first is given. Okay, so in activity first what you see here, read the words that are used to describe weather. Spot them in the word search grid given below. Okay, so this weather vocabulary. Okay, so some this weather vocabulary is given. Okay, and here some a grid chart is given. Okay, so here according to this you have to search it here. Okay, so first see sunny. So where is sunny, just search it. Okay, first where is sunny, here. Okay, so you have to circle this one, sunny. Okay, likewise snowy. So where is, here. So here circle this one. Okay, now cold. So where is cold, just search it, where is cold. So likewise you have to search all these weather vocabulary in this grid box. Okay, and just like see hot, so here hot, and here cold also. Okay, then windy. So where is windy, just search it. Okay, after that stormy, where is stormy, where is warm, where is foggy. Okay, likewise you have to complete this all. Okay, now we come to the activity second. In activity second, cross out the odd one. So see some pictures given in this activity. Okay, and first you all see this picture, and in this picture cross out the word odd one. Okay, so gloves. When we use gloves, when we use gumboots, and when we use hot tea, and here see leaf set, and tree sets their leaf. Okay, so which one is incorrect, which one is odd one, just search it. Okay, so here gloves we already use in cold season. Okay, winter season. Boots also we use in winter season. Here hot tea also use in winter season, but here see tree sets their leaves, so this one odd one. Okay, after that here see what is this one, cold juice is there. Okay, and similarly cold juice we can use in summer season. Okay, and glass is also we use in summer season. Cotton cloth we also use in summer season, but here see this one jacket, so jacket we use in winter season. Okay, so this one cross it. Okay, after that here boots, umbrella, jackets, and here gloves. So and these all, this one, these one boots, umbrella, and here raincoat is there. So these all generally we use in rainy season, but here gloves we use in winter season, so this one cross it. Okay, after that we come to the go set go. So in go set go, tick the correct answers is given. Okay, so the question is winter or summer is the coldest season. Which one is coldest season, winter or summer? So winter is the coldest season, so I already take this one. After that in second question, season or weather. Season or weather is the condition of day at a particular place and time. So weather we already taught in this chapter. Weather is the condition of a day at a particular place and time. Okay, now third one, summer or monsoon is the warm season. is a warm season. So as we know that summer is a warm season. Okay, now fourth one is spring and autumn season occurs between winter and summer. So here spring season. Okay, spring season occur between winter and summer. Okay, now fifth one, trees shades their leaves in the summer or autumn season. So we already taught you trees shades their leaves in autumn season. Okay, so these are some questions. Okay, so you all complete this one. After that, come to the B question. Question said that draw a line to match a cloth with a season, and here see summer season. These some pictures given here. Okay, summer season, rainy season and winter season. So your question is draw a line to match the cloth with the season. Okay, so in summer season what you use? In summer season what we use? Just draw a line. Okay, so just first see these all picture. Okay, so here see this one, we use cotton pant, we use in summer season. Cap also we use in summer season. Okay, in summer season cotton pant and cap and cotton shirt also. Okay, so just match it here just like this. Likewise you have to match it. Okay, after that rainy season. So in rainy season what we use? See here, rainy season umbrella we use. Okay, umbrella we use and boots also we use. Okay, so likewise you have to match it. After that winter season, in winter season we use muffler and cap. So likewise you have to match it. Okay, after that here answer the following questions are given in question number C. So name the rainy season in India. So generally in India we can say rainy season monsoon. Okay, so monsoon is the correct answer. Okay, after that in second question, which is the warmest season of the year? So as we know that summer is the warmest season of the year. Okay, after that we come to the next question. C 3, give some words that are used to describe the weather condition. So here see bright, sunny, cloudy, rainy, the cold. These all are weather describe the weather conditions names. Okay, so likewise you have to write it. Okay, after that your life skill is there. So in life skill, plan your summer holiday. Okay, and think of five things you want to do this summer. Okay, once done, tick them off. So I already written this is for example. Okay, I want to go hill station. Okay, likewise what you think and what you plan to your summer holiday, just write it here. Okay, now here see Sohan Lal has a shop of woolen cloth. You bought 2 overcoat, 4 muffler, 4 woolen cap, 4 pair of gloves and a pair of boots from this shop. Find out the number of cloths he is left with. Okay, so here overcoat, coat and blanks given. Okay, so just count it and and after that write it here. Okay, now here project also given. So create a tree with the help of your hands. Take a white draw sheet. Okay, here see likewise. After that apply brown paint to your hand. Stamp your hand on the sheet here. Likewise after that use your fingertips and paint the leaves on the branches of the tree. Okay, likewise you have to draw this one, and after that here by the use of fingertips you paint the leaves on the branches of tree, okay, and use crayons, okay. Likewise you have to draw, okay. So complete this exercise. Thank you.